Now, recently on the show, Brad mentioned that Mazda is actually assembling Toyotas in Mexico for sale in Canada. Now, we got some feedback from some viewers complaining about that, saying we should be supporting the Canadian automobile industry. Well, yeah, except that you as a consumer, wouldn't you like to have a high-quality car that's built at a lower price, that you can buy at a lower price? I think we should be supporting that too. Now, the one thing about Mexico, first of all, the labor rates aren't as big a difference now as they used to be. And labor is only a relatively small part of the overall cost of making a car, somewhere around 15 to 20%. So saving on labor isn't really the issue for building in Mexico. What is important in Mexico is that if a car manufacturer wants to build a factory down there, they only have to talk to one person. They want a railway siding so the plant can get parts in and out. This guy, sort of the concierge, if you like, will look after it. If you want to establish a plant in Canada, you may have to speak to the local municipality, the regional municipality in some cases, the province, and maybe 3 or 4 departments of the federal government. And this just takes way too much time. And that's one of the big reasons for car plants being established in Mexico. Now, Mexico has some disadvantages, those little drug cartel things. You never know if the phone system's going to work. So Canada does have some advantages. What we have to do is improve the process whereby car makers can establish themselves in Canada. It's not even all about incentives. It's about speeding up this process, streamlining the whole operation. They are doing something about it. The guy that ran the Toyota factory in Cambridge, Ontario for a million years, he's now looking into this for both the provincial government in Ontario and the federal government in Ottawa. So hopefully, if they can speed up that process, maybe someday Mazda will be building Toyotas for Canadians right here in Canada. I'm Jim Kenzie.
When motoring launched in 1988, it was only found on TV. Not anymore. We have a robust website with the best auto journalists in the country. Our Facebook, where the only topic of conversation is cars, and where it's easy to win cool swag. YouTube, which boasts 30 years of archives at your fingertips, including complete episodes. Cool shirts, right? For the first time ever, we're selling them. Google Motoring TV Shop to get yours today.